Well, I feel today everything is working towards that. You have to have a good financial background. You have to make sure कि film release होगी. क्योंकि आजकल की फिल्मों में you know that, you know, especially now, it really makes a difference with the production values. It makes a difference who the director is. I think most important what your role is. क्योंकि it is the way that the audience will see you at the end of the day. जैसे कि No Entry में मैंने एक small guest, I just did a cameo like a guest appearance, so small. लेकिन in that film, that one guest appearance I've done, till today people come up to me and say, you know, it was so cool. So I feel really depends on what you're doing.
कोई एक पर्टिकुलर जॉनरा है जो आप अब करना चाहेंगी, जो आपको लगता है कि आपने नहीं किया है अब तक लेकिन अब करना है?
Well, I feel I would love to do something classical, you know, because I am a classical Kathak dancer, and I feel ki it would be amazing. I think people have only seen my Western dance, and they've appreciated it. Uh, but I would love to do something maybe like a Devdas or a Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam, you know, something really. It's not about being Indian. It's just about having that look, you know, which I love those looks. It was very Indian, ethical, like those classical, proper looks.
रीजनल फिल्म्स भी अब आप कर रही हैं, एनी पर्टिकुलर रीजन बिहाइंड दैट?
Well, I do Bengali cinema, I do South cinema, only because at the end of the day I wanted to have a mix of everything. They're very professional, they work very well. My Bengali film Kal Purush has now gone to the Berlin Festival. I was at the Toronto Film Festival. My director Buddhadev Das Gupta has won the national award this year. So I have done Bengali cinema purely for the love of cinema. You know, it has really given me that edge for acting. And South cinema, I mean, I love South Indian movies because at the end of the day, I mean, I am also a South Indian, and they love and they accept me there, and I do it just, you know, as something that's. I feel South films are just such a big market, and people really are not aware of it. So that's just another part of my career. But like my main focus right now, obviously, I'm a Hindi film because I am from Bombay.